Hello viewers, today we are going to discuss a simple practical activity to reduce stress. So yes, cooking is considered to be one of the stress relieving activity. According to psychological studies, if we take cooking as fun activity rather than task, it becomes stress relieving activity as our mind is on cooking. Our mind doesn't think about negative things because our focus is on cooking and there is no space in our mind to think about other negative activities or negative things. So viewers, cooking is something we perform daily. So take this activity as fun activity and reduce your stress. Goodbye.